If you poured water onto a basketball, it doesn't wrap around the surface and stay there. It runs straight off, every time. Because water doesn't cling to curved surfaces. It finds the lowest flat point and settles. So here's the question nobody in your science class ever had to answer out loud. How are the world's oceans, covering 71% of this planet, curving around a ball? Every builder, every surveyor, every engineer working with water uses one foundational principle. Water finds level. It doesn't slope, it doesn't arc, it doesn't wrap. Given any container or open surface, water will always settle into a perfectly flat, horizontal plane. That's why spirit levels work. That's why canal builders throughout history used water as their reference line, because it never lies. The globe model asks you to accept that oceans, trillions of tons of water, are somehow curving around a spherical surface, held in place by a gravitational force so precise that the water stays curved without any visible evidence of that curve at sea level. But stand on any beach. Look at the ocean surface. It is flat to the horizon in every direction. No visible curve, no visible arc, just level. And here's the engineering detail that lands hardest. The Suez Canal, over 100 miles long, was constructed with zero curvature adjustment. The engineers dug a flat, level channel from one end to the other. If Earth curves roughly 8 inches per mile squared, a 100-mile canal should account for over a mile of cumulative drop from one end to the other. They accounted for none of it. The water sits level throughout, because it always does. On a flat Earth, water behaves exactly as it always has in every observable situation. It finds level. It stays level. It covers a flat surface evenly without curving, without wrapping, without requiring a force to hold it against geometry it naturally resists. The oceans are flat because water is flat. That's not a theory. That's what water does in every test, every container, every canal, every lake, always.